Hi, I'm Gene with DentRepairNow.com. Today we're going to show you a door that was backed into on the parking lot. It's not hit real hard as far as a collision goes, but there's certainly a lot of metal moved around, and you can see where the metal got into the brace. It's a big dent, but we're going to see what we can do. Thanks for watching. Alright, so here we go. Here's the damage. A little bit of a buckle sort of crease right here. A little bit of a crease in through here. I want to show you here a pan with our with the lights that we use to see the damage. And down here you can see where it buckled. Actually got into the crash brace a little bit. We're also going to shoot a time lapse while we do this to show you the entire PDR process. Okay, so we're a good portion of the way into the repair. We've worked a lot of the crown out. The creases are starting to come out. And we're going to change the time-lapse angle here in a minute. Get you a little better view. And we're not going to be working through the door jamb so much anymore. Now we're going to be going down through the window.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so we're all done. We wet sanded and polished the scratches that were in here out, and the repair came out pretty nice. A little bit of a buckle, sort of, a little bit of a crease in through here. There you go. And down here you can see where it buckled. Well, I certainly wouldn't call it all the way to perfect, but it's real nice. There's just a little bit of a wave at the bottom where it got into that crash brace. You see a little bit of a scar where that crease was. I think the customer will be very happy.